not sure if how many of you have spoken to a billionaire. When I was a senior director for operations in Telos, ako po ay nagkaroon ng pagkakataon makausap ang mga napakalalaking mga tao sa corporate world, including President of Mastercard, no, nakadaupang palad ko po 'yan, no. The heads of MoneyGram in Texas. I was in Texas, in Dallas, in the headquarters of MoneyGram. I've met a lot of multi-millionaires and billionaires. Alam nyo ka, Miranda, isa po sa mga katangiang nakita ni Coach Miranda on billionaires is they're very good, no, not just on the commercial side of it, but they're very good on reviewing processes and understanding what processes are redundant. Alam nyo kasi, karamihan po, so kung baga, billionaires don't go to the conventional way of thinking. Karamihan sa mga tao, conventional way, ito yung uso, ito yung tradition, therefore will stick to it. But billionaires disrupt markets, no?